what's the deal? So we got a new video, and we're about to test this new bay right here, Mystic Ultraus right here. So we're going to test this against all these bays that I got lined up around this thing that this Hasbro launcher allows me to use. So yeah, let's get it. I say we go Ace Dragon, and let's see. Actually, I got a hand spin with my left. That's the only one I know the hand spin. Looks like it's still in the spin. It's actually working. Okay, and it actually just worked. Okay, that was pretty lit, and it was taking clicks. Okay. That's one W. Next up, we got Grand Dragon stepping up to Mystic Ultraus. He's gonna stall him out before he hits him. Wasn't able to spin still that time. Okay, that's one dragon glyph. This is pretty. Dude, I don't know what. Okay, it beat glyph that time. What is it, like 1-2 now, something like that. Okay, so it lost to glyph that time. Did against Imperial. Yeah, okay, that's one Imperial. Okay, looks like he can't beat Imperial. Okay, I'm gonna throw on the Z chip and see what happens. So we got the Z chip. Put that G thing on. Okay, that's two Imperial. Go. Bad boy on the road. Slow spin ultras so you can. Ultras with the slow spin, bro, just annihilated. Imperial dragon, bro, just like destroyed that man. Crazy. Let's go one more round. Myth, Ultras, and Glyph Dragon. To the big homie, Tempest Dragon. Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh, Ultras took that. Okay, 1-1. Ultras ain't going out that easy. Said he ain't going. Dragon trying to push it out there for a second. Oh, bruh, that was a dead ass draw, like for real. That was lit though. They stopped and sync and stayed touching each other. It went around all them times like it was about to do some damage, bro. Then put dragon on the wrong watch. Let's see. Whoa. Well then, that just determined my theory. If we can get past variant Lucifer with testing this Myth Ultras. Ultras is a less spin that's still able to touch Lucifer with the barrier, bro. Yeah, Ultras took that. And actually, hits though. Ultras' rubber is helping it. Oh, I don't know who just. I think it tried to get Lucifer the big. That barrier is too big. Ultra's using that rubber to spin still, but how long can it last? Oh, and it just made it win. Pretty dope. You just got completed. See, Lucifer and I have it easy with Ultras though. It's just like Goddess Valkyries versus Myth Ultras. So let's get it. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Ultras is too dangerous, bruh. Jesus Christ. That was wicked right there. Ultras hit it so hard it made it hit stadium in a triangle. Crazy. Oh, Valkyries with the win. Look at that. But Valkyries did take some damage. But Ultras didn't. Ultras. Valkyries second round. Oh. And Ultras wasn't having it. 2-1. This is some real left-on-left crime. This is Treasure. You know what left-on-left crime is?
Yeah.
Left-on-left spin Beyblade. Okay. Well, Ultra just took. Man, he's real powerful, man. And Valkyrie with the win, 2-3. Oh man, it's getting pretty hectic in here. It's getting real intense. Oh my god. That hit, man. It hit so hard something like flew off of Valkyrie's dude or something. I seen something fly up. I don't know if it was something in the stadium or what it was, but it didn't take no clicks. Or maybe it was something in the stadium. I don't know, man, but that was freaking wicked. But we're gonna stop that battle right there. That's too much power. Ultras takes that though. Myth Ultras takes that over Goddess Valkyries. So yeah, so Treasure, who's the next bait that we're gonna put Ultras against?
Can you please stop doing that? My it keep knocking off.
Look at that damage done on Hyperion. Jesus Christ. Just shut down like that. You spin still. It's gonna work. Yup, and it did. Beating Hyperion just like that. Annihilation. And so next we'll go up against Chosy Valkyrie stall combo just with the dash driver. You feel what I'm saying? He gave his life for that battle. Satan. Next up, Storm Pegasus. Storm Pegasus. Let's bring that back. Storm Pegasus on Drake and Survive High. Dude, am I seeing things that Pegasus really just ring out? That's pretty crazy. Dude, am I seeing things that Pegasus really just ring out? That's pretty crazy. That's pretty crazy. Now it's about to meet full power. Came back for revenge that time. First time they tied with a simultaneous ring out. No, knockout, whatever you call it. Second time Pegasus got it. Third time Ultraus got him. You try to hit Ultraus with a combo, bro. I wasn't feeling that. Come on, first time. Okay. Dude, what is happening? It's like the same thing as this. Dude, are we seeing this? This just literally just happened 3 times. God damn it. Yo, look at this. Damn near about to burst, yo. I don't understand how it's doing it. I think it's the shape. Something to do with that shape. Probably this thing I need to take off too, the Z chip.
No.
So, how many times Pegasus beat us? I don't know.
This is diamond.
That's all I have to do is take off that Z chip, and that's what's gonna be the result. We got Glide Ragnarok stepping up to the table, y'all, to battle Mystic, and we're gonna see what happens with that. Just like that. I use the launcher. Dangerous Ragnarok slowing down. Oh, she's got that rubber. Oh, and Ragnarok actually endured them hits, which is crazy. 3, 2. Whoa, that was dope right there. That was real sick. They both gave everything out, bro. That was lit right there. It ended in a burst / ring out at the same time. That was pretty lit. But I believe Ultraus probably got that burst before he got knocked out, but I'm not sure. Also sick stuff right there. Ragnarok's hanging in there pretty tough. Pretty dangerous. And it happened again. Bruh. Next, speaking of demonic, we got Naked Diabolos going up against Mystic Ultraus. Let's get it. Okay, we got another left on left crime battle. Whoa. Just straight deflected by Diabolos. Wasn't playing no games with him. But Diabolos did almost get bursted though. My nigga scraped. Okay, so that's 2 Diabolos. It's 2-0-2. Oh, that hit knocking Diabolos out of there. Jesus Christ. That was lit. That was pretty lit. That was lit. Oh, made it jump across the stadium, bro. That was lit. Oh, bruh, it tried so hard to hang on, bruh, but it lost grip, my dude. That was lit right there, but there goes Mystic Ultraus with the win right there. You feel me? Shutting down Naked Diabolos. Next, we're moving on to next we're gonna go up Geist Faenir and Mystic Ultraus. Let's get it. Another left on left crime. Uh-oh. And the hit stole. Oh, when it burst. Finish shutting down guys fast. R.I.P. R.I. to the motherfucking P. Oh, that was lit. That was lit. Come on. Some more. Show me some. I think Faenir might have took that. I don't know, man. Kind of not Ultraus. Try to. Okay. Yeah, that's a win for Mystic. Mystic Ultraus takes the win over Geist Faenir. So next up, we got Mirage, but what we're gonna do this time, actually, we're gonna go switch to Loginus and we're gonna do this one. We're gonna save the Sparking Base for last. trying to play the stall out game. How long is it gonna last for? Who has more stamina is the question. Oh, and Loveness actually took. Oh, I think I heard some clicks move. Yes, indeed, I did. It was almost about to burst. I heard that, bro. I heard every click move. Try to speed up behind Ultraus, but Ultraus hurry up and slow down and shot his momentum right to the center. What's about to happen now? Loganus with that will disc. Loganus has the weight to try to hang. Okay, that's some Hasbro's Zone Lunior. So I'm gonna let you guys know this bay right here is like pretty hard to burst even for a TT bay or 3D printed bay. Ultraus, oh my god, hit so hard, bro, made my rubber come off my bay, dude. Try to my neck. Sheesh. I think I might stop it after this battle. And because of that, and dude, where's my rubber at? Where the hell did the rubber go? Okay, the rubber's gone. Oh, Jesus. Okay, y'all, look at this. The rubbering came off. I gotta get some, like, super glue. I use Gorilla Glue. It's not a good idea. But, yeah, we're gonna call the battle right there. We'll make a video with versus Mirage and Loganus by themselves. But yeah, Ultraus was dominating and was smashing and pretty much couldn't be touched low key. So yeah, man, they're pretty good though, man. This base's pretty lit. It's fun to use. Looks pretty dope too. The colors I use. Shout out to my boy Chris Wolf. Well, I did this version, but he's doing a new upgraded version that I'm not gonna release until I upgrade to get sick of using this one. So yeah, it's just gonna be sitting around hibernating and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, man, hope y'all like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, hit that bell for all notifications. You feel what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram at Rizzy Saragami, you feel me? And what else is there to do? Oh, also hit that like button down there, you feel what I'm saying? Hit that thing one time for me. I will greatly appreciate it. And I will subscribe back if you would like. Just say so in the comments. And I got you. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm out. Blade on. Deuces. Peace.